So hey guys, today we are going to try the dry prawns kismur, that is the dry shrimp kismur. So let's get started with noting the recipe. Firstly, we'll need here around one whole bowl of grated coconut, around 2 medium size of onions chopped, and also 4 red chilies. Then salt to taste, around 14 to 15 garlic cloves, and around 10 to 15 curry leaves, tamarind water, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then the main ingredient, that is the dry shrimps, which is also called as dry prawns. So here I have taken two types of prawns, that is the transparent prawns and the tiny prawns. So let's get started. So first I'll begin with dry roasting the dry prawns, that is the dry shrimps. We will just roast it on medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes. To roast it until it turns crispier, as you can see. Now in the same pan I'll be dry roasting the grated coconut. Just dry roast the coconut until it turns golden brown. Again, to the same pan I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil heats, to that I'll be adding the chopped onions. I will save some for later. To that I'll be adding the curry leaves, red chilies. Then I'll be adding the garlic cloves. I'm just going to saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll grind all the things, that is the roasted coconut, the roasted prawns and the onion mixtures together. So I'll take out the mixture and let it rest for a while before grinding. So firstly I'll grind the grated coconut and the dry shrimps a little. So I've grinded the prawns and the grated coconut. To this I'll be adding the onion mixture and grind it again. I'm not going to grind it completely to a paste. I'm just lightly going to grind it. And just some finishing ingredients to be added, and the chutney is then ready. To this I'll be adding a pinch of salt, because the dry prawns already contain a lot of salt. Chopped onions that I had saved it earlier. Just mix it well. And then the dry prawns kismur is all ready. Do try this recipe at home, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel at the Shack of Taste.